Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And today we want to talk about the air intake duct on your Tiger. It normally looks like this. It comes round, and then you have to massage it into the square shape to go into the receiver tube on the back of the number 3 baffle, and also on the other side, and the intake to the banjo air box on the Tiger. And somewhere in there, you get a complex bending in here where it goes through the motor mount.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
And we've cut off a piece of Tiger. That's the Alpha 5 air intake duct that goes from the cylinder number 3 down to the air box. They're round. This is one of Kent's tools for making it into the square to go onto your carb air box. That's going to demonstrate. Yeah, and now you get a square ductwork. So there you go. That's how you do it. The top of this double bead seal is dead. It's completely flat, has no resilience.
So you've gone through all the trouble to make nice square ends on your Tiger air intake duct, and over the years you've probably replaced your double bead seal with a roll from Fletch Air, and you had 8 or 9 inches left over. Well, here's a clever use for that remainder material from Mark Matthews. You can put it on the motor mount to protect the Tiger air duct where it goes through behind the number 3 cylinder. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.